Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can pin a chat message on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp. After opening the app, tap and hold on the chat that you want to pin. For example, I want to pin the second message. So as I tap and hold on the chat, it will appear a few options on the top of your screen. Among the options, tap on this pin like option. After you tap on it, as you can see, the selected chat has been pinned and has appeared on the top. The pin icon on the side of the chat shows that the specific chat has been pinned and it will always remain on top. So in this way you can pin your chat message on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for further content.